it's mail time. So I got this from a fan. And it's all the way from it's not actually from Hong Kong, but it's from the Hong Kong Post. I think it's from somewhere in the US or from somewhere, I'm not sure. Or is it Finland? I don't know, man. I'm bad. It's not from Hong Kong. It's not made in China. This is made somewhere else. I'm gonna open it up. I'm so excited to get this. This is like my first Kickstarter project that I back up. Hopefully it is. I'm not sure yet. So I'm just gonna open it up first. Oh, damn! I already give away like where do I get this from before even like opening it up. Oh yeah, boy! Woo! Smells alright. Boom! This is where it's from. Barcelona. Damn, man! All the way from Barcelona. It's actually a project that I back up in Indiegogo. I saw this ad on Instagram, which is like really mind-blowing. Where it's this shoe where it's like water resistant, and then it's very comfortable in your feet. Like every time you wear it, it feels like. I'm just so damn excited. And by the way, I'm mind blown on how like ads these days how they work. They can really make you buy something. So as you can see from the box, it's a shoe. It's shoes. I never actually review any shoes products in this channel before, so this is like the first time. This product is mostly for those travelers. And funny story, this is one day where my shoes get wet, where it's raining, and I wanted to dry it off, and the next day I want to use it, but it's still wet. So they got me thinking of like getting another pair of shoes which is like water resistant and stuff. I almost got myself a water resistant kind of spray where you spray it on your shirt or whatsoever, and it's like water resistant for like 24 hours. And then boom, this ad came out on Instagram. So this is like kind of creepy in a way to see how Instagram looks in my life. Or are they listening right now? Okay, anyways, I've been talking for a while now. Gonna open this up. I should do like a top-down shot. I tried using this and this, but it doesn't work, and it's been too long since I do this top-down shot. Why do people do top-down shots? It's like so hard to do. Probably do a budget like how-to video of doing like top-down shots, or probably there is on YouTube. I'll see. Okay, I'm just gonna throw this away first. Okay, let's open it without any top-down shots. Whew. This is so. No wonder people wanted to do like unboxing videos. It just feels so exciting and like am I gonna open it? How it's gonna look like? This is just so fun. Okay. Oof, I've been stalling this video. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. Oof. Okay, so you have like postcards. Like want to get a chance to win? Take a. Oh, so it's like you can win like coupons with this. Okay, so holy shit! Oh damn! This is like my first time looking at it, man. Like from the commercials and stuff, this is my first time seeing it. This is so amazing. I don't know, I think I've been waiting too long. I backed this up around like I backed this up around like June, and then now it's like around December, so I waited for like almost 6 months for these pair of shoes, man. And it smells nice, and then it looks nice. Holy shit, man. Okay, so you have like a tiny tag right here, Tropicfeel, inspired by travelers designed for you. Instructions to knot as a tropic cluster. I guess that's what they call you as a backer, tropic cluster. Oh, this is so different. Like you don't really have these like when you buy shoes. Like it teaches you how to like tie knots on these, like something like these on the shoes. I don't know why. So it's pretty cool. It feels like how to tie a knot 101 on your shoes, because not a lot of shoes does that, because they assume that you know how to tie your knot, which some of the dummies feel like how am I gonna tie these two together, you know? It's kind of feel. Sorry. Anyways, So the features, this is very lightweight. Quick drying. We're gonna test it out later. Breathable, flexible to you. Wait, that's like actually. Okay, let's get this out. Flexible. Okay. And then machine washable, no softener. Ooh. Okay. You can put this into a washing machine, but I'm not gonna do that. Since it's water resistant, so I'll probably just wash it with in my bathroom. Minimalizes odor. That one is how to test it out. So okay, so I'm going through the boring stuff first. Bear with me. So there are these two things with like barcodes on QR codes in it. I think they want you to scan it and then claim your like water repellent thingy. I think these two companies are working together with Tropicfeel to like make this shoe, and you can claim like, I'm not sure because it's not clear, because it says that something like it's using the company's water repellent, I guess. So I'm not very sure. And if I wanna get it for free, I'll probably have to pay for shipping, and that's not free. Okay. So you have this like extra, so you have extra shoelaces here. So in case if you lose your shoelace, then you have these. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of these two. Okay, so you have the shoes. Looks cool. I think this is like my first official unboxing video, so bear with me. I mean like more or less like official. I know I tried one before, but yeah, I'm not that good with unboxing videos, guys. So anyways, they say you can use this with your bare feet instead of like wearing like socks. So it's very convenient, and then just made for travelers. So one of the big reasons for me to buy these shoes is just that I hope that I will be able to travel around the world one day. I have to make sure I have the gear for those. So these are one of them. Shoes for me are very important because like you have to wear them all the time. You have to go around in different places and tough places where you don't want your shoes to get messy or maybe like moist. When your feet get uncomfortable, you'll be like, I have to find a spot to wash my feet. And if you wash your feet, you get your shoes wet, and then when you get your shoes wet, your feet still get wet, so then you'll be wet throughout your journey. So there's a lot of excuses, and I don't want those excuses, those like pain whenever I'm traveling or whatsoever. So that's one of my thoughts when it comes to like buying these shoes, backing up these shoes, which came in the right time because I'm already graduated from like uni, so I can start to plan out my travel journeys, and yeah, can't wait to test this out. And before I move on, this is not sponsored at all. I backed this up with my own money on Indiegogo. It costs us around, this is not cheap at all. It costs us around, it's 69 euros, so 1 euro is around 4.7 Malaysia ringgit right now. So 69 times 4.7 equals to, so it's around 324 ringgit plus 3 cents. I think it's included shipping, I'm not sure. Because I bought it way back around June. Yeah, it's kind of pricey for 300 ringgit for these pair of shoes. 300 ringgit. I think it's okay if you compare it to like some Adidas shoes or like some Yeezys or like maybe Vans. If you compare to those shoes with all these features, with like lightweight or like flexibility and then water resistant, like if you consider all the features in it, it's actually not bad. I can say the price is actually okay, but it's somehow in the pricey side a bit, just a bit. If it's around 200 or 150 around there ringgit, I think it should be fine. It should be affordable for everyone. But I'm not saying that all of you guys should get this, that like these shoes are pretty good, man, all that stuff, but it depends on your use, on whether if you wanted to travel around or you need these shoes for your travel and stuff. You don't want to get all those fast, like you think ahead, then I think these shoes are something that you can consider getting. But I haven't tested it out first. I think I want to do an intense test where I go to a very muddy area and then just like step on it. Just want to test it out. How does it handle it, and then how long does it take? How is my experience wearing them in like very tough like environments? I actually thought of doing like a very short test where I just wear it. I'm just gonna save it. I'm gonna save it for the intense test for these shoes. But so far looking good. I'm gonna try it out myself for like the next few days. I'll come back to you with the review video of these shoes. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and then click that bell notification and smash that like button or dislike button. Leave a comment, share this out to your friends if you think that this video can help them with like buying shoes. Anyways, I'm just really excited with like what stuff we are going into. Like these are just like next level stuff, and I never see this kind of shoes before where they say they can like repel water and like you can just slip in your feet and stuff. Pretty stoked to see what they can come out in the future, like the people and then me, everyone. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I know this is not the type of video that I usually do, and forgive me for stalling this long in this unboxing video. I've never done like a proper unboxing video before, and it's pretty fun to do unboxing, I can say. So probably gonna do more. I have like few packages coming over, and FYI, I don't really like to do unboxing videos at some point because I tend to see a lot of unboxing videos online, so there's no point of me doing unboxing videos. But these, I don't think they usually do them, so that gives me like a chance to do them. And then since it's not on YouTube yet, so probably gonna do them first, more or less. So the review will be coming, and then there will be a short film coming soon during Christmas. I'm working on it, so see you guys in the next one. I hit the mall and in Belle Isle, and if a talk shit, I'ma smash her mouth. What? Red Man promo style, BITCH, just will get it.